Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will explore the world of Linux commands, showing you how they work and why they are important. So what are Linux commands? Linux commands are text-based instructions used to interact with the Linux operating system. They allow you to perform a wide range of tasks, from simple file management to complex system configurations. Why should you learn Linux commands? Learning Linux commands offers numerous benefits, making it a valuable skill for various individuals, including sysadmins, developers, and enthusiasts. Here are some reasons why you should learn Linux commands. Efficiency. Command line interface, CLI, is often faster and more efficient than graphical user interfaces, GUI, for certain tasks. Scripting. Knowing Linux commands enables you to write scripts for automation, simplifying repetitive tasks. For system administrators, Linux commands are invaluable for managing servers, ensuring stability, and troubleshoot issues. Security. Linux is renowned for its robust security features. Understanding security-related commands helps you manage user permissions, secure network configurations, and implement best practices to protect your system.